Bro, let me hit you with something real. Women don't regret losing a guy because of what he did in the moment. They regret it when they realize what he was becoming, when they understand that he was on a path they'll never have access to again. See, loss isn't about what's taken away instantly, it's about what slowly dawns on someone over time. A woman never truly fears losing a guy she has completely figured out. A man who's predictable, stagnant, or too available, that's just comfort, not value. But when a guy is always in motion, always growing, always stepping into something bigger, he becomes a force. And when a woman loses a force, she doesn't just lose a relationship, she loses the gravity that pulled her into something greater. If you want to be that guy, the one who leaves a mark so deep she feels it years later, then listen up. Let's break this down. Point 1. Keep leveling up no matter what. Most guys hit a point where they just stop. They get comfortable, they think they've made it and stop pushing, and that's where they lose the edge. But the kind of man who stays on a woman's mind is the one who never stops evolving. Think about it. If you're always upgrading yourself, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, you don't just command respect while she's with you. You make her look back one day and realize she left when you were only getting started, and that's what stings the most. Because when she sees you moving up, when she sees you becoming something she never imagined, she isn't just missing what she had, she's missing what she could have had. And now, she's locked out of that future forever. But this only works if you're leveling up for yourself, not for her. If you're just faking progress in the hopes that she notices, she won't. She'll see right through it. But when your growth is real, when you're pushing yourself for your own reasons, that's when it becomes undeniable. That's when she realizes you weren't just a moment in her life, you were a whole movement, and she stepped off too soon. Point 2. Master your emotion. Most men operate from a place of emotional reactivity. They react to every message, every mood, every shift in energy. But the men who are hardest to forget are the ones who remain steady, unshaken by drama, unmoved by pettiness, unbothered by situations they can't control. A man who masters his emotions is rare. He doesn't chase, he doesn't beg, he doesn't break under pressure. He understands that his energy is a privilege and not everyone deserves access to it. When a woman expects him to argue, to prove his worth, to plead for another chance, and he does none of that, it creates an unsettling feeling. Because nothing haunts the mind more than a man who simply walks away without explanation, without emotional outbursts, without the need to be understood. When she realizes that her absence does not disturb his peace, she starts to wonder, did she ever have the hold on him that she thought she did? Point 3. Be the guy she can't replace. Let me ask you something. Are you just a guy or are you an experience? Because if you're just a guy, then she can replace you tomorrow. But if you're an experience, if you bring depth, challenge, adventure, new perspectives, then there's no copy of you out there. She might meet new guys, but they won't make her feel the way you did. They won't spark the same thoughts. They won't create the same memories. And when she realizes every other connection feels ordinary compared to what she had with you, that's when the regret sets in. Most guys operate at surface level. They keep conversations light, they avoid deeper topics, they never push beyond the basic. But the guys who leave a lasting impact, they introduce her to new ways of thinking. They challenge her in ways that make her grow. When you're that guy, the one who makes her question things, the one who gets inside her mind, the one who creates moments she can't find elsewhere, you become irreplaceable. And when a woman realizes she lost something rare, that feeling doesn't go away. It lingers, it builds, and eventually it becomes regret. Point 4. Have a life that's yours, not hers. A lot of guys revolve their entire lives around a woman. They adjust everything, plans, goals, even their personality, just to keep her happy. And in doing that, they lose themselves. But a man who stays in a woman's mind, he never makes her the center of his world. He has his own passions, his own mission, his own non-negotiables. He doesn't ask, "What do you want to do?" He tells her, "This is what I'm doing." And if she walks away, he keeps moving. No begging, no convincing. Because women don't regret leaving a guy who needed them. They regret leaving a guy who was simply letting them be part of his journey. And when she realizes you were always good with or without her, that's when it hits the hardest. And the crazy thing, the moment you become a man who doesn't revolve around her, she starts wanting to be in your orbit even more. Because women don't crave a man who clings to them. They crave a man who is so solid in himself that she feels lucky just to be included. Point 5. Walk away without a word and let silence work. Here's where most guys fail. They try to prove their worth after she pulls away. They text, they explain, they try to get closure. But the strongest move? You disappear, not just from her life, but from the version of yourself that needed her validation. No cryptic posts, no checking her stories, no indirect messages. You just vanish and let time do the work for you. At first, she'll feel relief. She'll tell herself she made the right call. But as weeks turn into months, something shifts. The lack of attention, the missing energy, the fact that she no longer knows what's going on in your life, it starts to weigh on her. And when she finally looks back, she doesn't find the man she left. She finds a version of him she never thought he'd become. And that's when the regret hits. Because now she knows the door is closed. The guy she once had access to is gone. And the life he's building, she will never be a part of it. Listen, man, the pain of losing you isn't about the breakup itself. It's about what she realizes afterward, that you were never standing still, that you were always on a path towards something bigger, and now, that path no longer includes her. So don't waste your energy trying to prove your worth. Just become someone so rare, so valuable, so in motion, that losing you isn't just losing a relationship, it's losing a future that can never be replaced.